You are looking live at the Supreme Court of the United States, where justices overturned Roe v. Wade this morning, sending abortion back to the states. Here in Texas, trigger laws will now outlaw abortion, which will go into effect in about 30 days. Good afternoon. We just heard from President Biden moments ago. The president called the decision extreme ideology, a tragic error, and that he's stunned. He's calling on Congress to restore Roe v. Wade as federal law. If they don't have the votes, then Roe is effectively on the ballot in November. He's also encouraging protests to remain peaceful. Fox's Griff Jenkins has more from Washington.
Protesters erupting as soon as the monumental reversal of Roe v. Wade was announced.
This is amazing. This is probably the best day of American history in my lifetime. This is incredible, and thank God for all the people who've been fighting for 50 years.
Abortion rights activists on the steps of the Supreme Court denouncing a landmark ruling that hollows out 1973's Roe v. Wade decision that established a woman's right to an abortion in the United States.
What the Supreme Court just did was that they chose to endanger the lives of all women.
The High Court ruled a Mississippi law that forbids abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy is constitutional. But this decision will reverberate nationwide, allowing all 50 states to decide whether and how much to regulate the procedure.
This will go to the democratic process, and we will have these fights play out on the state level.
Currently, 16 states and the District of Columbia protect abortion rights to some degree, and this ruling is not expected to change that. According to the abortion rights group, the Guttmacher Institute, about half the states may move to ban the procedure.
There's no point in saying good morning, because it certainly is not one. This morning, the radical Supreme Court is eviscerating Americans' rights and endangering their health and safety.
The ruling is nearly identical to the draft version leaked last month, written by Justice Samuel Alito, today decided 6-3. At the Supreme Court, Griff Jenkins, Fox News.